Okay guys, today we're turning your kitchen into a 5-star cafe. Get ready to whip up a Divine Strawberry Milkshake, creamy, dreamy, and oh so berry-licious. Step 1, you're gonna grab your Ninja Blast or any other blender you trust, toss in those chopped strawberries. The more red they are, the better your milkshake game. Now let's go creamy. Add some milk, cream, a touch of condensed milk for that luxurious sweetness, milk powder for an extra punch, and a spoonful of sugar because why not? Now, time for the fun part. Blend, baby, blend! Watch as it swirls into the ultimate pink delight. Cue dramatic blender music. Now, for the grand finale, grab a tall glass. Think fancy. Add some ice at the bottom because we like it cool. Toss in some chopped strawberries for that gourmet vibe and pour in the milkshake. Add a straw, cheeky strawberry slice on the side, and voila! Your Divine Strawberry Milkshake is ready to slay taste buds. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye!